All right, guys, we got a call out. Guy calls us, tells us he has a rough running truck and it's intermittent. So right there, 2 words: intermittent, rough running. So we focused on the intermittent, and when we showed up, we went ahead and we used a temp gun, and we found out that we had 2 injectors not hitting on the back. It's rare that happens. It doesn't mean that it can't happen. It's just rare. So we started moving around. Of course, the air cleaner is right here. There's a bracket right here, and all this is real tight. But right here, when you would move this, the truck would start to stumble. I should have made a video, but you know what? I was in a hurry. So we went ahead and we looked at it. Of course, we don't like that either right there. That injection actuation pressure sensor looks like it could be a lot better condition. You know what I mean? But that's neither here nor there. But anyway. So we went ahead and we repinned it. We put a new Deutsch 12 pin, and she's running like a kitten. So hey guys, we probably got open circuit codes, and some guys, they go crazy and they want to put an engine harness, they want to put a valve cover base harness. I mean, just take it slow. This electrical stuff, it's not hard if you take it slow, but too many guys, they want to go for the big stuff, you know what I mean? And this one right here, put a harness, it's not too hard, but really, honestly, I mean, sometimes if you save a customer a little bit of money, they trust you, they believe in you. And when the difficult jobs come, the ones that are, you have to, tell them, hey, you lost the turbo, hey, you dropped the valve, hey, you need an overhaul. Customer confidence is there, and that's the point here. Sometimes building customer confidence is more important than the end of the month budget, if you know what I mean. Thanks for watching.